I'm Josh Mars, and I'm a Wildcat. I attended Pearl River Community College in 1996 and 97. I chose Pearl River because my father had gone there, a lot of my family members had gone there, and I also had the opportunity to play college football. But once I got there, I realized that there was a lot more to Pearl River Community College than just small town, campus in Poplarville, and football. The academic courses were challenging. I learned a great deal during my time at Pearl River. I also met my wife. I'm sure she would say that's the best thing that ever happened to me at Pearl River. But besides that, I met some of my dearest friends. Today I'm still in touch with some of the people that I met there. I also had an opportunity to start determining which career path I want to take. By taking some of the business law courses and some of the accounting courses, I realized that I had an interest in not only becoming an attorney, but also becoming a business attorney. That later turned into a career as a tax attorney.